How to buy from Yupoo with Superbuy. In this video, I'll show you how to buy items from Yupoo using Superbuy as your agent.
So to get started, start by exploring Yupoo. Find your designed item and copy the image link. Now head over to Superbuy and log into your account. Click the Buy for Me button and paste the Yupoo image URL, or you can simply click on this search bar and then enter the link that you want to buy. Now hit on search. You'll need to fill out the item name, description, size, color, and seller price manually, as you can see here. If unsure about the price, message the seller directly on WeChat, and after filling in all the details, click on Submit. Your request will go under review by the Superbuy team. Once verified, you'll receive the actual product page with confirmed price and shipping fee. Click Add to Cart, then Buy Now. Complete the domestic payment using your preferred method. Wait for the item to arrive at Superbuy's warehouse. Once it's in, go to My Warehouse and select your items. Click Submit Delivery Order. Choose international shipping, declare the value, and add insurance if needed. Make payment and track your parcel in real time. Shipping times depend on your location and shipping method. And that's how to buy from Yupoo using Superbuy.